Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For getting an update of used cars, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Today we are standing near 2011 Alto K10. It's a second owner vehicle. Now the purchaser will be the third owner. This is a short review of this car, and this car is for sale in Rajajinagar, Bangalore. For more details of this car or for reaching us, please check the description box below. I have given all the details of the car with the price and my contact number, which you can easily reach us. So this is a condition of this car. Just a polish and the rubbing polish need to be done. So as you can see, the car has been maintained in very good and very neat condition. It's a VXI variant which comes with a 2 power window, power steering, AC, and with the center lock. At the front bumper we get a fog lamp with the grill. There's a 2 fog lamp and the 2 grill. One is for the radiator, for the passing the air through the engine. And at the dicky door we get a Alto K10 badge with the VXI variant badge and the lock with the Suzuki emblem with the Maruti Suzuki written over here. And this car comes with the tire size of 155/65 R13, which is all 5 tires are 13 inches. If you're purchasing this car, there's a complimentary of 2 things. One is the rubbing polish from us, that's a complimentary, and the whole interior, which means our upholstery, it will be get cleaned with no charges. You just need to pay car charges with the transfer charges. In the dicky you get two speakers which have been fitted by the aftermarket, and it's a Pioneer brand. You get an extra stepney over here at the below, and the jack and the toolkit and all. This car comes with the boot space of 177 liters, and the fuel tank capacity of this car is 35 liters, which is enough for this car. And at the rear door pad we'll get a lock and unlock lever with the window winder, which is manually adjusted, and 3 person can easily sit in this car at the rear. And at this door, same as it in the right side door. At the co-driver side you get a power window switch with a manual adjustable side view mirror with lock and unlock lever and some storage space. In this car we'll get a 1 liter petrol inline 3-cylinder petrol engine, and which produces about 67 horsepower at 6000 rpm and 90 newton meter of torque at 3500 rpm. The mileage of this car company claims about 20 to 23 km per liter, and the ground clearance of this car is 170 or 160 mm if I'm not wrong. At the driver's side door we'll get a 2 power window which can be manually adjusted by the driver, and some storage space with a manual lever for the side view mirror adjustment. And at the rooftop we'll get a sunshade with the mirror for the co-driver, and a normal sunshade for driver side without a mirror. There's a dashboard space over here, and the 4 AC vents on the dashboard with the AC controllers, the infotainment system which have been fitted from the aftermarket, coin holder with 12 volt charging socket, and it's a 5-speed manual gear lever with handbrake. and this car has covered around 49,000 kilometers till now. So every Suzuki engine covers about 3 lakh kilometers if you are maintaining it in good condition. If you like the video, then please do hit the like button, share the video with your friends, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.